I was out there pricing everything because I had seen this webinar about digital marketing, and I'm like, yeah, that's really cool. But this guy said, well, you need this, you need a landing page, you need this, you need a responder, you need all this stuff, and he drew it out, and I'm like, yeah, that's amazing. So I was actually out shopping for stuff, and I was adding it up, and oh my God, I was like, man, this is going to be like $800 to run this business. And then I ran into Builderall. I'm like, boom, there's everything I need.
Okay, with the $49 plan, that's the one I got. That comes with everything, right? With the affiliate and everything, right?
Everything that we have with the $49.90 plan. And when we do our changeover, you'll actually be grandfathered in at $49.90. That plan looks like it's going to increase to $79.90, but you will only have to pay $49.90 because you're grandfathered in. The one thing that Builderall does that's fabulous is if you already have a plan with them and then they make a change like this, every time so far, every single time they've grandfathered you in where you were at. So you continue to pay the fee that you came in at, and that contract that you came in on is honored the whole time you stay active. So that's the one really good thing about Builderall is they've never come to us and said, hey, we're increasing our prices. Now you have to pay more. They always allow us to grandfather in and stay where we're at. You're welcome. I have another question. It says, Shelly, what's the magazine editor? OMG, get ready. It is so cool. The magazine editor, and I can't show it to you yet because we're in beta, so I'm not allowed to show you the demo, or I totally would. But it allows you to create a magazine online. And if you've ever gone into Canva, Canva is a program where you can create a full PDF magazine, put pictures in there, do articles in there, and then save it as a PDF, but you don't really have the ability to do it as an online magazine. Our magazine editor allows you to put it online as it looking like a magazine, and you can actually click a button and it turns the page, and click another button and it turns the page, and click another button and it turns the page. It's so cool. And it allows you to put it as a web page, right? So you can actively open it right on the internet, or you can put it as a PDF so they can download it, or both.
Yes, Shelly, can that be used to place properties for rent, for selling properties, for real estate ads?
I would say absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. It is unlimited what you can do with it. And you can, again, the editor is a lot like the website Pixel Perfect editor. You're going to be able to add pictures in, add text in. You can do layers. So if you want to layer stuff to have some really neat effects, you can do that. You can add multiple pages. It's just phenomenal what you can do with this.
I've had many of my people that have bought Builderall that just got rid of like Infusionsoft and Kajabi and Aweber and GoToWebinar. I just want to add for the people that haven't seen something like this, and we were just talking about all the things that Builderall replaces. In the last like 6 months, a year, there's been 2 products that have come out. One's called Designer with 2 R's at the end, and the other one's called Scribble. That's SQRIBBLE. And those things are like hundreds of dollars a year. Yep. And even if you got in early, you paid some premium price to get them. Yep. And those things do just this magazine deal. That's it. Yep. And so this is like, and another thing we do at Builderall for the price you're already paying. And Eric keeps doing this, as you know, Shelly, and Andre, you know, all these things people go do. Like everybody bought that video wrapper thing that was on sale. And then like a month later, Eric's like, oh, we have this video. And we're like, people just bought this, you know? So I have both this Designer thing and the Scribble thing. And I'm like, oh, you know. But now I don't have to ever pay for those again because I'll have magazine on Builderall.